In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default view in Asana. This guide is perfect if you're looking to streamline your workflow and keep track of all the milestones you and your team have achieved. First, let's begin by logging into Asana. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken straight to your Asana dashboard. This is the command center where all your projects live, waiting for your direction and oversight. It's a vibrant space that captures all the ongoing activities within your team or organization. After you're comfortably settled on the dashboard, the next step is crucial: selecting the project you want to review. Think of each project as your personal mission control center, where you can oversee every aspect of your tasks, deadlines, and overall workload. Once you've entered the project, the next feature you'll want to explore is the filter option. The filter is incredibly powerful, like a finely tuned search tool that enables you to sift through tasks based on various criteria, making it easy to find exactly what you need in a few clicks. After you click on the filter, you'll be presented with several filtering options. Here, your goal is to find and select completed tasks. This action will instantly refine your view to showcase only the tasks that have been marked as completed. This is not only a fantastic way to visualize the progress you and your team have made, but it also serves as a useful tool for revisiting the details of completed work if needed for reports or meetings. But why stop at just visualizing when you have the option to make this view your permanent setting for the project? To do so, simply click on Save View. With one click, you solidify your current filter settings, including showing completed tasks as the default view for this project. Now, anytime you enter into this specific project, you'll immediately see all the completed tasks, streamlining your review process and saving you a few extra steps each time. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth path toward monitoring your project's progress via the completed tasks list. Setting this as your default view means you're always ahead of the game with a clear picture of what's been accomplished, paving the way for more effective project management and planning. Remember, Asana is designed to make task management as seamless as possible so that you can focus more on completing your work rather than organizing it. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.